The Chicken Wing Beat by Ricky Desktop on Amazon Music.
Hey, homie, does this bass hit different, or is it just me? Nah, it definitely hits different. I can't wait for the second bass drop. Sheesh, this Ricky Desktop guy is really up to something, huh?